Today I'm going to show you how to bypass Anydesk ads by using a simple Windows method that can help clear out Anydesk's stored app data and reset parts of the program. This is a quick tutorial for users who want a cleaner experience and need to follow a few basic system steps carefully. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, click on the Windows search bar. You can usually find this on the taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Once the search box opens, type cmd. This will bring up the command prompt option, which is what we need for the next step. Now, right-click on Command Prompt and look for the option to open it as administrator. Opening it with admin permissions is important because this gives the command the access it needs to make system-level changes. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes to continue. Once the administrator command window opens, carefully type this command exactly as shown: Rmdir qc% appdata% Anydesk. Take your time here and make sure there are no spelling mistakes, because even a small typo can cause the command to fail. After you type it in, hit Enter on your keyboard. This command removes the Anydesk folder from your app data location quietly and recursively, which can help clear stored files and reset the application data. After that, wait a moment for the command to finish processing. Depending on your system, this may happen almost instantly. Once it is complete, you can close the command prompt window and reopen Anydesk if needed. In many cases, this kind of reset can help resolve unwanted behavior or remove cache data that was previously stored by the app. Just remember, anytime you are running commands like this, it is important to be careful and only enter commands you understand. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.